Can you guess the word with 2 emojis? You will have 5 seconds to guess each word and you will get 1 point for every correct answer. If you're ready, let's go. Word number 1. Movie. Here are the hints for word number 2. Racing. Number 3. Fast food. Number 4. School backpack. Idea. Number 6. Birthday. 7. Surfing. Number 8. Plant. Number 9. Art. Number 10. Space or spacecraft is also right. Cityscape. Landmark. Number 13. Seafood. Number 14. Business call. Here are the hints for word number 15. Rain. School. Number 17. Sunrise. Sunset is also correct. Number 18. TV launch. Shopping. Vacations. Fishing. Number 22. Home. Word number 23. Cookies and milk. Number 24. Books. And here is the last word. Locked or locked door. You can watch these videos next. Thanks for watching.